feel nervous while speaking English? Don't worry. Today's story will help you learn simple English and build confidence. It's the story of a boy who was afraid of making mistakes, but one decision changed everything. Listen till the end, because this story might change your thinking too. Now, let's begin.
Tom was a young boy who lived in a small village near the sea, and he always dreamed of becoming someone successful in life. But he was very shy and afraid of speaking English because he thought he would make mistakes and people would laugh at him. One day, his school announced a competition called Speak English with Confidence, and the winner would get a scholarship to study in the city. Tom felt nervous, but also excited, because he really wanted to try. But his fear was stronger than his courage. After school, he sat near the beach and watched the waves and thought about his dream. And then an old fisherman named Mr. John came and sat beside him. Mr. John asked him why he looked so worried, and Tom told him everything about the competition and his fear of speaking English. Mr. John smiled and said that fear is like the ocean waves. It looks big and dangerous from far away, but when you go inside it, you realize you can handle it. He told Tom that mistakes are not failures, but steps of learning, and that even the best speakers in the world once made many mistakes. The next day, Tom decided to start practicing English for just 10 minutes every day in front of the mirror. At first, he felt silly and uncomfortable, and he made many mistakes, but he did not stop. He spoke simple sentences like, "My name is Tom. I live in a village. I like the sea." And slowly, he started feeling a little more confident. After a few days, he met his friend, Lily, who also wanted to improve English, and they decided to practice together every evening. They would talk about their day in English, even if it was broken and incorrect, and they would correct each other gently and laugh at mistakes instead of feeling bad. Slowly, Tom started noticing that his fear was reducing and his confidence was growing like a small plant. One evening, while practicing, Lily told Tom that real learning happens when you stop thinking about perfection and start focusing on communication. These words stayed in Tom's mind for a long time. The competition day finally arrived, and Tom's heart was beating very fast as he stood in front of the stage and saw many students and teachers watching him. His mind went blank for a moment, and he almost decided to step back. But then he remembered Mr. John's words about waves and fear, and he took a deep breath. After, he started speaking slowly at first, introducing himself and talking about his village and the sea, and how he was learning English step by step. As he continued speaking, then he realized that people were listening carefully and not laughing at him, and this gave him more courage. He made a few mistakes, but he kept going without stopping, and this made his speech natural and honest. When he finished speaking, there was silence for a moment, and then the audience clapped loudly, and Tom felt a warmth in his heart that he had never felt before. He did not win first prize, but he received a special award for courage and improvement. After the competition, many students came to talk to him and asked how he became confident, and Tom simply said that he stopped being afraid of mistakes. That night, Tom walked again near the sea and saw Mr. John sitting there. He told him everything about the competition, and Mr. John smiled proudly and said that the real victory is not winning the prize, but winning over your fear. From that day, Tom continued learning English every day, and slowly he became one of the most confident speakers in his school, and he even helped other students who were afraid like he once was. Years later, Tom became a tour guide in his village, and he used English to talk to people from different countries and share the beauty of his village, and he always remembered that everything started with a small decision to try, even when he was afraid.